Hello everyone and welcome to Monday's Challenge Assembly. I hope that everyone had a really good weekend and you're raring to go for our last week before the half-term holiday. We have a lot of things prepared for this week in your learning, and the big activity we have as a school that's going to be happening is on Friday, which is the non-uniform day for Wear Autumn Colors. Will be very autumnal, and autumn colors, we remember, are reds and browns and yellows and oranges. So wear those colors on Friday, and what we ask is for a £1 donation that'll go to School Fund. And the School Fund is what helps to pay for our activities and our school trips for all of the children. So that's on Friday, don't forget. Now, on with our new focus for this week for Year of Being Healthy, and it is keeping safe. Now, there are lots of ways that you can keep safe. I wonder how many of the ways you can remember or think of. Why don't you tell your neighbor some of the things that you can think of to keep safe? Wow, everyone came up with some amazing ideas about keeping safe. Let's look at my list that I have around keeping safe, particularly for children. Internet safety is very important. Sometimes there's things on the computer or our tablets that we really should not be seeing, being young children. If you're not the right age for it, you really should not be watching it. The same goes for TV shows. Some shows are just right for children, but other shows are not, and we really shouldn't see some of the things that are only for adults. It's very dangerous to play in the roads. This is where cars should be, and they could hit you and hurt you, or even worse. So road safety is very important. If you're going to cross the road, also make sure you are with an adult and you look both ways. Stranger danger. Remember, you should never go with someone you don't know or accept something, candy or a gift, from someone you don't know. It's very important that you always are with an adult that you know and trust. Do you remember the pants rules? How to stay safe? Remember, P is for privates or private, and we keep them that way. A is for always remembering your body belongs to you. No means no. Talk about secrets that upset you. And speak up to someone can help. Playing out. It's really important that we think about what might happen if we do not stay safe when we're playing with others. Do not play around trains or train tracks. They can be very dangerous. And if you're going to ride a bike, remember to wear bright clothes and have a reflective device, and also wear a helmet. Don't play with electricity. This can be very dangerous to all people, including children. And stay away from water unless you're with an adult. This includes pools, jacuzzis, hot tubs, rivers, lakes, and the becks. Can you think of more things? So, there are lots of ways that we need to keep safe. And we need to keep reminding ourselves and each other about keeping safe. So the challenge this week is to make a little round badge that you'll be getting in class, And you'll be able to make a little tiny poster about keeping safe. And you'll give those to your teacher. Your teacher will give them to me, and we're going to make a big display on keeping safe. So your challenge this week is to think of one way of how to keep safe. And then I want you to draw and color a nice pretty badge that we're then going to use on a whole school display on keeping safe. Got it? Parents, if you're watching this, please have a good conversation with your children about different ways they can keep safe, particularly as we come to the new half term. All right, everyone, have a good week. Remember our challenge, a keeping safe badge that'll go on a display for all of us to look at. Have a good weekend. I'll see you next week.